Haiti was devastated by its 7.0 magnitude earthquake in January 2010, which killed nearly 250,000 people. United Methodists responded immediately with great compassion and generosity. 2 years afterward, the emergency relief phase is over, and UMCOR is settling into the longer-term work ahead. UMCOR's forward-looking plan emphasizes new and reconstructed housing, re-establishing livelihoods, education, and improving health, not least through better water supply and sanitation. For farming livelihoods, UMCOR, along with the Methodist Church of Haiti, has identified 1,600 most vulnerable families across the country.
Our technicians and our coordinator went to each locality to meet the people and to work with the church leaders and the community leaders to select the people who are considered most vulnerable. And so the technicians then became the workers in each of these areas to go and to train and to work with the people to decide whether they wanted crops or whether they actually wanted livestock.
Par exemple, nous, madame ça, ils sont grand monde, on le pas bon, il a qu'à travailler, il est malade. Je pense que c'est un élément qui fait que nous choisissons le tout, c'est parce que il colle pas bon, il non famille, il colle pas bon, il marie, c'est seul mari avec petit monde. Nous signons un contrat, tout le monde ensemble, signons un contrat. Côté que nous créons un comité, côté que chaque monde qui reçoit une femelle cabrite, il gagne en retour pour bailler nous petites. Côté nous dit que à la plantation nous avons une quantité et puis à la récolte il y a maintenant une quantité qui représente environ 20% de ça qui va.
Agricultural assistance continues to expand as seeds from one season's harvest are shared with newly arrived families, and the offspring of one family's goats are given to neighbors. In community reconstruction, the physical fabric of housing is a major priority, and that of schools.
We're here with Steve Kepka and Edzer Paul. Steve is with Global Medic and Edzer is with the Methodist Church of Haiti. He's the director of the school program, the education program. And we kind of got together on this project. We were contacted by Global Medic a few months ago to see if we could identify a site that they could build a school.
Yeah, we've been doing water programs in Haiti, and a lot of some of them in collaboration with UMCOR, and we really wanted to get involved into a new phase and part of the rebuilding process of Haiti. So we wanted to put the school in, and now UMCOR's on board with it as well, helping with the funding, and we're hoping to have both school buildings in by mid-October.
We have a school here working in the church with 150 kids. Wow. It's a lot to put them in only one room. I suggested that this would be a good place for the school because the needs are big.
And we're going to do 2 school buildings and doing a latrine as well.
Yeah? Yes.
Rebuilding schools and homes, restoring livelihoods, and improving community health are all vital parts of UMCOR's long-term work in Haiti. UMCOR's plans, freshly adopted 2 years after the disaster, are a sign of deep commitment to Haiti's continuing and sustained recovery for years to come.